met you last night, baby. Before you open up your gap.
Say what? Say what?
I had respect for your lady, but now I take it all back.
Tell me why you take it back.
'Cause you gave me all your pussy. Oh yeah. And you even let my balls. Leave your number on the candy. And I promise, baby, I'll give you a call.
I can't hear you on this side. What you say?
Next time I'm feeling kinda horny.
And what you want me to do?
Come on over.
I'ma come
and
up.
I'll break you off.
I'll break you up a little self. You know what?
And if you can't come up that day, baby, then just stay back and open your mouth.
You know why?
'Cause I
I'd always be broke. I never had no motherfucking endo. This smells like it's something unique. But you can't do me. Do we look like we mean you who she could be? I have no love for hoes. That's something that I learned in the pound. Now how the fuck am I supposed to pay this up? To the latest up. I know the pussy's mine. So I'm fucking come a long time. And then I'm doing it. Ain't nothing else to do with it. Pass it to Snoopy. Now you hit it.